Hello everyone, this is Joe from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a DeLonghi Perfecta with us in the shop, and it came in for two reasons. One, the machine just needed a tune-up, so what we did is we completely cleaned out the machine, did descaling cycles, cleaning cycles to clean out the spouts, cleaned out the inside of the grind chamber, and also replaced the brew unit. So if you were to open this one, you have a brand new brew unit inside of the machine. But the main issue it was brought in for is because there was water leaking on the counter of the machine when the machine was being used. What I found is that on your water pump, your OPV, little plastic valve here, was actually leaking a bunch of water from the frame. And so just like the crack here, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but there's a part of the plastic that's much lighter. Most likely that's where the leak was coming from. And it was a very slow leak, but it was leaking and it would end up at the bottom of the machine and of course going out. So we replaced the valve to stop that leak from happening, and now we have a finished machine. So we are going to brew let's do a single here, a standard coffee of our cup at the bottom. There was a lot of coffee buildup in this machine. It will take a minute to clean it out. We also, another part that we did replace was during the tune-up, we replaced the mechanovalve gasket, just to make sure that it doesn't leak on you. First few seconds is that pre-infusion, and then it's going to go straight into brewing. Beautiful. We do have some of the accessories here, so we have the hot water tap. This is what you use for descaling. The carafe is here also, but we're just going to leave those. And we're going to just turn it off here so it rinses. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.